Because it's so hot in Cape Town, this is my go-to hairstyle, and I'll probably wear it maybe once a week or every other week depending on how my hair is and what it looks like. Tonight we're having a kind of a Christmas carol-y thing, so I'm doing a sleek bun. I usually do a sleek bun with my hair wet. It's just easier for my hair to stay in place. I know some people do it on dry and just gel and whatever. I just find that this helps with my hair and it looks a little better, so I'm going to show you what I do. In the shower, I just wet my hair and then I use a cheapy conditioner just to comb through my hair, and then I put this up. I put a little bit of cold cream in my hair. I'm going to show you how I do it now. And then I use Cake the Wave Mixer as my spray, kind of hold my hair in place. A cheapy brush from Discount, I think it's like 50 Rand. If you don't have a diamond brush, this is also a pretty good one to style your hair with. Or a tangle teaser as well. And then I use a little elastic, and then I have the satin skin. So I take out my hair. Here you guys. Same thing. Then I take some of this. This is from Perfectly Rooted. I will link it. I will link the Instagram handle down below, and you can purchase from it. This is a very lightweight cold cream. Is it a cold cream? Cold Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. So, same like I did before, I just do this. And walk it through my hair. And I've already combed through my hair in the shower, so that's why it just runs easily through my hair. And then I take the wave maker and I start spraying my hair. And yes, I do spray on my roots, and then I spray at the back as well as underneath. And then I go ahead and spray onto my hair. In the shower, it kind of fell into a natural path. I don't really need to do another path again, and I don't mind if my path isn't straight. So then I just comb through it. See? And then I start combing like back but up, because I'm gonna have my bun, not a low bun, but like in my, like in the middle of my hair. So do the same with both sides. And then at the back, I also do it up, and then over here as well. Can you see on that? I just do like one down the middle. And then I like to see that it is, so there's a mirror at the side, that's why I'm doing it like that. I like to see that it is straight, and I bring it down a little bit over the ear and out. I know I could use a better brush, but I don't have one, so this will do. And then I do the same on this side. Same on this side, just around. And then once it seems like centered, I'm going to show it to you this way because you can see better. Then I tie it with the small hair tie. Depends on how it feels. So I'll either do it twice or 3 times if it can go another time. Yeah, it can. So that it stays where it is. And then once that happens, then you can also like comb through your hair if you need it just to be a little bit smoother. And then I take it and I start twirling it a lot. And once it's at twirl, I start wrapping it around in a bun. Once it looks fine, then I take the other scrunchie and just tie it around it. as well. Now you can see that this kind of looks a little weird, and I know this is going to come out if it dries. So what I do is I just push it with my fingers. I kind of just move my hair down a little bit. I don't really lay my edges. I just move my hair. If my scalp is looking too intense, then I will move my hair to a certain, and I'll do the same thing on this side. You can see over here on this ear that my hair is kind of sticking out. Can you see that? I pulled it out just to show you. So what I do in this situation, my hands a little bit, and then I'll take this spray and actually spray it in my hands, rub it together, and then rub on this thing where like the, and then just push it back. Push it back. And then the rest of the water or the excess on my hand, I'll just put it on my hair. Now you can see some little pieces on top here that's not smooth completely. I don't mind that it's not smooth. My hair will stay wet until I take it out the bun. And I usually take it out maybe closer to the evening if I know I'm going to be sleeping soon, then I want my hair to dry as much as possible. If you've seen my previous video, the way my hair started out drying, I just took it out of a bun, so that's how it dries when I take it out of a bun. So I've just finished my makeup. This is the finished product. I have some Christmas earrings. I think my nephew, he's obsessed with dinosaurs, so he gives this a thumbs up. Got these at Lovisa. And then I'm currently wearing a Christmas tee. It's Marvel and it has all this stuff. I bought it at Pick and Pay, and this is actually the guy's t-shirt. And this is what my hair looks like. It is starting to dry. It won't really move much. So you can see it's dry. You can see my color. Yeah. So this is the finished look, and